So the focus today will be setting up and post-processing results using Moldex3D. Most of what's going to be shown is on our new platform, the R17 Studio. All right, so the outline, we're going to talk about the Timestep Output and time series animation. Number display, which consists of when to turn on and off scientific notation and standard notation based off of preference. We're going to talk about the new model tree structure in Studio. How to use the result comparison tool in this new Studio, comparing up to different runs. How we can set up the graphics for better visualization of fiber orientation, makes it a cleaner image. And last but not least, we'll touch up on the probes, how to graph multiple runs, compare different information from different iterations, how we can use that information to plot XY curves, and how we can export them to a CSV file. Okay? All right, so let's dive right into it. Timestep outputs and time series animation. So what are timestep outputs? Timestep output is basically a specific time in the cycle in which all results are written. So we do the calculation, but we don't write out the results at every instant in which the calculation is taking place. We can specify in the software when we would like the software to write out all the results so that we can see that still image at that certain specific time in the cycle, okay? So one thing to note is the more timestep outputs we have or we specify for the software, typically the longer the simulation time and likely you will have much larger files. The reason behind it is it has to write out the results prior to the next calculation. And when it's writing the result, it's outputting all the pressure, temperature, all the information that you see on the workspace, right? Your results, it's writing out each individual one. So your file size will increase based off of your timestep output.